Are you thinking about moving to Elk Grove, California? Well, today I'm going to give you 5 reasons that our family has really enjoyed living here. But first, before we get started, and if you like what you're seeing today, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell. Hi, my name is Ray Henson. I'm a real estate agent in the Elk Grove area. I've been a real estate agent for the last 11 years, and today I'm going to give you the 5 top reasons our family has fallen in love with Elk Grove. But before I get started, I'd like to let you know about a free download that I have in the comments where I've interviewed several Elk Grove residents about why they enjoy the Elk Grove area also. Reason number 1 that our family has enjoyed living here in Elk Grove is the commute. My wife worked at the UC Med Center for over 20 years, and so she had to drive to downtown Sacramento every day, and it was a very easy commute for her, probably about a 20-25 minute drive every day, depending on traffic. We've also had numerous neighbors that would work down in the Stockton area, and that drive was only about a 30-minute drive. And then finally, we've had a few neighbors that would work over in the Bay Area, and they would commute over, and they just found that the affordable housing in our area was worth the drive over every day. Reason number 2 that we have really enjoyed living in the Elk Grove area is because of the schools. Some 20 years ago, we moved here because we wanted to come into an area that had some great schools, and Elk Grove afforded us that opportunity. Both of our boys started grammar school here, and they went all the way through high school, and you'll find, if you read in the comments below, the download, many residents come here for our great schools. The third reason we enjoy living here in the Elk Grove area is because of its cultural diversity. It runs through our city, our neighborhoods, our schools, our restaurants, and our churches. It's one of the reasons people really love to come here to Elk Grove, because it makes our community friendly and so strong. The fourth reason that we've enjoyed living here in the Elk Grove area is because of the numerous parks and walkways through the area. One of our favorite areas to go to now is a new park called Oasis Park. We love the game pickleball, and we'll go over there and they have a great pickleball facility. There's 6 courts there, they're lighted, and they're just great fun people to play pickleball with. If you like tennis, they have 2 great tennis courts there. They're also lighted. And if you have a grandson like us, you'll love the sand area and the water park. Once our grandson Russell gets in that water, there's just no getting him home. Another area that we like to go to is the Camden Lakes. It's in Camden Passage. It's kind of in the east area of Elk Grove. What's great about that is our running group, Running for Rep, meets there, and then we'll run from Camden Lakes along the creek all the way up to Jack Hill Park and back. And it's just a beautiful little area to walk, hike, ride your bike, whatever you want to do. Another real gem here in the Elk Grove area is the Cosumnes River Preserve. We go over there all the time. Again, we take our grandson, we go by ourselves. Lots of miles of hiking out there. You're likely to see all kinds of beautiful birds. Last time we went out there, I think we saw 5 deer just sitting there watching us walk by. All kinds of turkeys. Just a great place to go. And if you have a kayak, it's a great place to head over, drop your kayak in the water, and you can be out on the Cosumnes River in 15 minutes. Just a great area to go and have fun with the family. So Elk Grove, all kinds of parks, just touched on a few of them. There's so many more. The 5th reason we really enjoy living here in the Elk Grove area is because of the weather. This is sunny California, and Elk Grove is no different than many other parts of California. It's moderate, probably 9 months out of the year. In the summer, it could get a little bit warm, but what's really great is we live just off of the Delta, and each night we get a breeze coming out of the west that comes over the delta, and it's nice and cool, and it's refreshing. It makes the outside really great. One issue that I have with that great delta breeze is it gets in the way of my pickleball game. It makes it very hard to play pickleball. But other than that, California is just great, and we have very good weather at least 9 months out of the year. If you've made it with me this far and you enjoyed what I've had to say about the reasons to live here in the Elk Grove area, I'm going to go ahead and give you a 6th bonus reason that we really enjoy living here in the Elk Grove area. And it has to do with proximity to many world-class places to visit. For example, you can be over in the San Francisco area in just a couple of hours. You can be up at Lake Tahoe in 2.5 hours. You can visit Reno. You can be up at Heavenly, Sierra, at Tahoe, or Squaw Valley in a couple, 3 hours. You can be out on the river in a very short time. We have the Sacramento River that runs just to the west of us. We are also very close to the American River, and there's all kinds of lakes within a couple hours drive from here. Great place if you love boating or if you love fishing. We also could be over in the wine country, over at Napa, probably about an hour and a half. And if you want to visit some of the other wine regions in the area, you can be over in Clarksburg. They have a great area called the Sugar Mill over there. Lodi has blossomed into a great wine region itself. And then you have the foothills, and there's some very fun wineries up there that you can visit. If you like hiking, if you like trail running, we're close to, we go up to Auburn all the time. You can go up to the convergence of the American River. Great area. Lake Top Clementine, beautiful hike. If you like the Sierras, they're a gem. We go up and hike up there all the time. There are so many world-class areas close to us, it's hard to cover them all. It's one of the reasons that really makes Elk Grove a wonderful place to live. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Again, my name is Raymond Henson. Remember that free download in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video today, please like, share, or subscribe. And if you really enjoyed it, take a look at a couple of my other videos.